Young man in love with an older woman. Forbidden love, age gap, passion, admiration, longing for his elegance. Mary sang goodbye, where he sang goodbye, lost in a lonely haze. Our shared silence, more than words could say.